What up, Lamborghini fam? Welcome to another episode of Lamborghini. So in this video we are going to start with my own vehicle, the Golf GTI MK8, and I want to order this cup spoiler lip for my Golf GTI for the front of the car. I'm going to show you guys some picture. It will be on the screen. So yes, it's not a commercial video, it's for myself. I just think that it looks very good on my car. It's the version 3, they also have version 2 and version 1. So I'm just going to order this one and wait till it comes, then we can continue with the video. So what's up guys, now I just took delivery of the cup spoiler lip. It's here, it's finally arrived, and I already opened it to show you guys how it looks like. They have a really nice Maxton logo on the front, and this one, mine, comes with the flaps, with the race flaps, which I like. They're kinda fancy and nice, and there are some screws in here, and also the manual and the ABE. In Germany you need this one with the logo, so to make sure that your car has the standards and you can drive it on the streets. And we need some tools, so I just got my toolkits and a drill, and I want to make sure that the drill works and is not out of battery. So let's check it. Yeah, it works. Nice. So now I'm going to go to install the spoiler lip on my car, so make sure to continue watching the video. I'm going to show you guys how to install this spoiler lip on your car, the Golf GTI MK8.
So we need to clean the car, just the underneath. So it's just a plastic cleaner for ABS material. We should check out if it's clean. So it's clean, it's okay, it's ready to tape. Now we should tape the front splitter to continue. So now the splitter is fully taped. Now we start with one side of the car. Continue.
So guys, as you can see, it's done. It's installed. So we're going to take the car down and look how it looks.